Welcome to my channel. Wi-Fi running slow? Improve your internet speed in minutes. Step 1. Restart your router. Turn off your Wi-Fi router, wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This clears temporary issues and refreshes your internet connection. Step 2. Place the router in the right spot. Keep your router in a central, open location away from walls, metal objects, and electronic devices like microwaves or cordless phones for better coverage. Step 3. Move closer to the router. If you're far away from the router, your Wi-Fi signal becomes weaker. Try moving closer or use a Wi-Fi extender for larger homes. Step 4. Disconnect and use devices. Too many connected devices can slow your network. Disconnect phones, tablets, TVs, or smart devices that you're not using. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes the issue is your phone or computer, not the Wi-Fi. Restart your device and reconnect to the network. Step 6. Update your router's firmware. Log into your router settings and check for firmware updates. Installing the latest version improves speed, stability, and security. Step 7. Switch to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band. If your router supports dual-band Wi-Fi, connect to the 5 GHz network. It offers faster speeds with less interference than 2.4 GHz. Step 8. Change the Wi-Fi channel. If many nearby networks use the same channel, your connection can slow down. Switch to a less crowded Wi-Fi channel in your router settings. Step 9. Use an Ethernet cable. For gaming, video calls, or large downloads, connect your computer directly to the router with an Ethernet cable for the fastest and most stable connection. Step 10. Run a speed test. Use an online speed test to compare your actual internet speed with your internet plan. If speeds remain much lower than expected, contact your internet service provider, ISP. Thanks for watching.